Hey little yogis, are you ready to become strong like a tree and fly like a superhero? Today we're going to move, stretch, and have so much fun together. We'll balance, breathe, and feel happy and calm. Get your body ready, take a big deep breath, and let's go.
Side stretch. Can you bend side to side slowly? Gate. Can you reach your arm over like a gate? Half moon. Can you balance and open your body? Good job. Rainbow. Bend your body gently like a rainbow. Moon. Reach your arms up and curve your body. Cloud. Move your body softly side to side. Cobra. Lie down and lift your chest up. Upward dog. Push up and look up to the sky. Good job. Downward dog. Lift your hips and make a triangle shape. Bridge. Lie down and lift your hips up. Seated forward bend. Sit and reach for your toes. Wide forward fold. Stand wide and bend your body down. Good job. Toe touch. Bend down and touch your toes. Circle. Move your arms in a big circle. Mountain. Stand tall and stay still. Star. Stretch your arms and legs wide. Good job. Tree. Balance on one leg. Warrior 1. Step forward and raise your arms. Airplane. Lean forward and stretch your arms. Heel lift. Stand on your toes and hold. Balloon. Take a deep breath and make your belly big. Smile. Stand tall and give a big, happy smile. Good job.